send you to us.
And then we are going to leap, we are going to jump.
Are you ready? Yes! Tell your friend, listen carefully. Teach English through Al-Quran and Al-Hadith.
Hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you?
Dream come true.
The day of the year is action session! Action session! Don't you worry, it's okay. Sorry, excuse me.
In my mind, I wish you are my parents. I wish.
I feel lucky to be here. Alhamdulillah, I feel so inspired.
It's the best training that I had ever had.
I feel more religious.
This is such an amazing training for me.
I enjoy it all day long. Thank you.